It's the boom industry that's making a killing as millions struggle to survive. Yes, the economic crisis has seen the rise and rise of clinical trials, with thousands flocking to the doors of pharmaceutical giants such as G-Netik. This is research on a grand scale. The rewards on offer to volunteers like these, as much as £5,000 for just 2 months of tests.
Why are you volunteering for the clinical trials?
Well, I haven't really got much money and I've heard it's easy cash.
Are you worried about the test that they'll be conducting inside?
Not really. A few of my friends have done it before and they've all been fine, so I'm hoping I'll be fine too.
What do you think the test will involve? Do you know?
I haven't really thought about it. Maybe a blood test. I'm hoping there's one of those hamster cage things I can get to go in.
What will you spend the money on?
I think a new car. I've just passed my driving test, so that's what I'm going to spend it on.
Come to this gentleman. Excuse me, sir, why are you volunteering for the clinical trials?
Well, I just need the cash really. Saw the advert in the paper, seemed like easy money.
Are you worried about the tests that are going to be conducted?
No, not really. Just had a couple of friends that have done it, they were fine. So if it was dangerous they wouldn't do it.
What do you think the test will involve?
Don't know really. Blood test maybe, take my temperature, blood pressure maybe.
And what will you spend the money on?
Mother's been ill recently, cancer, that sort of thing, so I thought I'd take her on a cruise.
The volunteers might be open about why they want to take part, but the specifics of the trials remain a closely guarded secret, leading to a backlash from some who claim that genetic research is exploiting the most vulnerable in our society.
Don't take the money! Don't be a dummy! 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 Don't take the money!
Why are you protesting against G-Netik?
Well, we're here because we think that students and people on low income are just being exploited for their money. They're not thinking about the long-term bad things they could be doing to their body. But the problem is, of course, there's so few of us. No one seems to care. Everyone just wants to take the money.
Is there much trouble with the protesters here?
No, they're a quite friendly bunch, really.
As for companies like G-Netik, they've never had it so good, paying volunteers £100 just to queue up for initial testing. Sometimes they can process around 1,000 a day, but are keen to stress this is research, not exploitation, and it's all carried out within strict guidelines.
It's a good way to earn money. The people earn a bit of extra cash, and they're helping out sort of other people's lives. People aren't being exploited. We look after them very well with the government regulations. So yeah, everyone's safe here when they come.
While the money keeps coming, so too will the volunteers. But just what price are these people paying so that we can climb another rung on the genetic ladder?